In today's digital world, having a website is crucial. It's your online home, your platform to share your thoughts, showcase your work, or sell your products. But how do you choose the right platform to build your website? Two popular options are Wix and Blogger. They offer different features and cater to different needs, making the choice a bit tricky. This essay will compare Wix and Blogger, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which platform is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Wix and Blogger are both website building platforms that allow you to create a website without needing to know how to code. They simplify the process, making it accessible to everyone. Wix is a cloud-based platform known for its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. It offers a wide range of templates, apps, and features, making it suitable for various websites, from personal blogs to online stores. Blogger, on the other hand, is a blogging platform owned by Google. It's free, easy to use, and seamlessly integrates with other Google services. Blogger is an excellent option for beginners and those who want a straightforward platform to share their thoughts and ideas. Both platforms have their pros and cons. Let's explore them further to understand which one might be the right fit for you. Wix is a popular choice for website creation, boasting millions of users worldwide. Its user-friendly interface and extensive features have made it a go-to platform for businesses and individuals alike. With over 200 million users, Wix has established itself as a leader in the website building industry. Its popularity stems from its intuitive design and comprehensive features, making it accessible to users of all technical levels. The platform's vast template library and app market empower users to customize their websites to their liking. Whether you need a simple blog, a professional portfolio, or a fully functional e-commerce store, Wix has the tools to bring your vision to life. Section 4. Flexibility and ease of use. Wix and Blogger differ in their flexibility and ease of use. Wix offers a highly visual and intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can easily add elements, move them around, and customize their appearance without writing any code. Blogger, while simple to use, is less flexible. It uses a more traditional blogging interface with limited customization options. You can choose from a selection of templates and customize them to some extent, but the design possibilities are not as extensive as Wix. If you prioritize ease of use and want a platform that allows you to create a website quickly, Wix is an excellent choice. Its intuitive editor and pre-designed templates make the process seamless. However, if you prefer a straightforward blogging platform with a focus on content creation, Blogger's simplicity might appeal to you. Section 5. Wix Pros and Cons. Wix offers numerous advantages, making it a popular choice for website creation. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, vast template library, and extensive app market provide users with unparalleled flexibility and customization options. Wix's app market offers a wide range of integrations from social media to marketing tools, extending the platform's functionality and allowing users to create feature-rich websites. However, Wix also has some drawbacks. Its free plan displays Wix ads on your website, which might not be ideal for professional websites. Additionally, while Wix offers a mobile-friendly experience, it doesn't provide a dedicated mobile app for managing your website on the go. Overall, Wix is an excellent platform for users who prioritize flexibility, customization, and ease of use. Section 6. Blogger Pros and Cons. Blogger, owned by Google, offers several advantages, particularly for beginners. It's free to use, easy to set up, and seamlessly integrates with other Google services like Google Analytics and Google AdSense. Blogger's simplicity makes it an attractive option for users who want a straightforward platform to share their thoughts and ideas without the complexities of more advanced website builders. However, Blogger's simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. It offers limited customization options compared to Wix, with fewer templates and design features. Additionally, Blogger's focus on blogging makes it less suitable for creating other types of websites, such as online stores or portfolios. Overall, Blogger is a good option for beginners or those looking for a free and easy-to-use blogging platform.